Hello friends, this is Manjot Singh. Today we will talk about designing Google Forms. As you know, it is quarantine period, lockdown is going on, and more institutes and especially educational institutes are focusing on study of their students from home. That is why Google Form is very helpful tool for us. Let us do. You have to write Google Form in Google and search for it. You should keep in mind that any one of Google or any Gmail ID or email ID is logged in the browser. Okay, this should kept in mind that a email ID should be kept logged in your browser. Okay, the first result you see is www.google.com form about. You have to click on it. The main purpose of this video is to use Google Form as a quiz. In the form of a quiz, we can use Google Form. Okay, you have to click here on go to Google Forms on the personal one. Okay, now here you can see these all types of Google Form we can design. We will use blank here. Here you will see the recent or initial forms that you have designed that could be seen here in this area. Now we will choose a blank Google Form. Here it is. This is untitled blank user Google Form that could be used by you to make a quiz for the students, the link of which we will share after making it, which can be shared by using WhatsApp or Gmail, whatever it is favorable for you. You can share with your students. For example, I am making a quiz on a computer test. Then I will give a title, computer test. Okay, in description I will write basic questions of computer. Okay, here it is the first question. Whatever I want to add, I would like to add name of student, because we have to collect the basic information of the student, as which student had filled this form, so that we can know after submission by the student, we should know this form is filled by which student. By default here it will be written short answer text. Now we will use this plus sign to add another question. Here we will write first question. What is the full form of RAM? Now here you can see, as by default multiple choice is coming, you can add whatever you want. If you want the answer in short answer or in paragraph or in multiple, most favorable is multiple choice, so that 4 options or 3 options, whatever your choice is, you can add. I add first choice as read any memory. Another option, random access memory. Third option, RAM and Mohan, and last option, none of this. Okay, I have given a question in 4 points. Similarly, I now use plus sign again to add another question. Here I write what is URL. Now I choose multiple choice so that I can add options for it. First, universal resource locator. Another option I add unidentified resolution locator. Third option, uniform resource locator. None of these. Similarly, let us add one another question. What is Google? Here multiple choice is given. Let us add first question. First option, browser. Second option, operating system. Third option, software. And last option, search engine. Okay, I have added 3 questions, and first column is name of student. If I want to add another column here, another question, for example, mobile number of student, it could be given as short text and number. It will come by default as it is a very intelligent, so it has given, it will accept only number values. Okay, now you have to do some additional settings to make it as a quiz. First of all, we will choose a beautiful theme for it. For example, this is a very nice theme. Okay, I have chosen this. After that, you have to go to setting, collect email addresses, so that whichever student submits it or attempts it, the test, we will have his or her email ID. After that, you have to take here also limit to one response, so that one student will be able to attempt it only once. This setting is okay. Now go to presentation setting. Here you will write the message which you want to give to the student after he had attempt. For example, I would like to write, thank you for attempting this test. Stay safe. And after that, I will click here on quizzes, and here you will see that it is written make this a quiz. You have to on this button, and here it is okay. Immediately after each submission, release grades, and everything is okay here. Now you should click on save, so that the settings are applied. Now after you have applied the settings, you have to give the answer keys, or you have to set the answer keys of these questions, so that the students, as soon as student submits the form, he gets his grades. For setting of the answer keys, you have to come to the first question and you click on it. You will see answer key is shown here. Click on answer key. After that, click on the correct answer of this question. The question is, what is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. I have clicked on it, that it is the answer, and I will give points. That student will have 5 points for it. After that, you have to click done. It is to be done for all the questions you have given. Answer sheet should be selected. Answer key, uniform resource located is the answer. Okay, how many points you should give? 5 points. Done. Similarly for the third question, click on answer key. After that, click on the right answer and assign points 1 2 3 4 5. So I have given 3 questions of 5 points each, so this test is of 15 marks. Okay, now this test is ready to be shared. You can see preview from here. See, this is preview is loaded. This is submit button, 3 questions and 3 basic information of the students. Okay, now we can share this by clicking on send. After clicking on send, you can see options to be that are given for sharing using Gmail or using link. The best option is using link. Click on link. You will see here link is given. The link given here is too long. You should click on shorten URL so that. Now we will share this URL by copying from here. For example, I am sharing it on WhatsApp. I have opened WhatsApp here. I have initially opened it. Here I paste this URL and send to one of my friends. Now he will use this link to attempt this quiz and I will get the response here itself. This is from where we can see responses. Now you can see I have got a response from my friend. He had attempted this quiz. Here we can see email ID is coming, name of the student, he had filled his phone number and his answer. So this was all about the Google form which is used by us as a quiz or test for students. Thank you.